If our new viewers, please subscribe our channel. So we have a sheet paper, blue paper, and we are cutting with scissor. So we are cutting, and we are today making a bat kite. So how to make a bat kite? So we are cutting with scissor as a bat shape kite. So we are making as a bird a bat kite. So cutting with scissor, you will learn how to make bat kite at home, so you can make it easily at home. So we are making it, so please like and share. So our bat kite is half ready. So we are putting a bamboo stick with insulation tape with ear and jointing with the insulation tape bamboo stick on head side. We are jointing, and at the center of bat we are adding a bamboo stick with insulation tape. So we are putting, so we are adding insulation tape at the bird side. With insulation tape we are adding bamboo stick. So we are jointing this. So you can make it easily at home. Please like and share our video on social media. So we made beautiful cards. So like and share, and we are adding bamboo stick at the tail of a bat. So we are adding half side and bamboo stick insulation tape. So we are adding, like, share and subscribe our channel, please. We are adding eyes on bat kite or at the head of the bat kite. So we add eyes with insulation tape. Please subscribe our channel. Okay, we are making tie for bat kite. So we are making tie. We are holding around the bamboo stick and passing through around the bamboo stick thread. So string. So we are tail side. We are holding the around the bamboo stick. So we are passing the thread around the bamboo stick, and we are jointing straight. So like and share our video. Our tie is ready for flying. So our bat kite is ready for flying test. So we are how to fly a bat kite. So our bat kite is flying. So we are ready. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. This is super flying bat kite. So like, share. Thanks for watching.